It's tax time, and if you're at risk of missing the deadline, know that there is some misinformation surrounding tax extensions. Jackson Hewitt's Chief Tax Information Officer, Mark Steber, joins us now to discuss what it means to file an extension and what happens when someone misses the deadline.
Well, as 2020 would arguably be unparalleled with any prior year that I can recall, the tax return certainly befittingly fits that. You have to take into account on your tax return in any year all the things that happened to you during the year. And this year we had staggering unemployment. We had two big tax bills among many other tax bills. We had one, if not two, stimulus payment packages out there. We had record self-employment, people who were perhaps laid off or had reduced hours. They started their own innovative businesses, so more self-employment activity than we've ever seen. Then all that gets commingled up onto the tax return. Well, a lot of this information, including videos, checklists, and frequently asked questions, are at our website, www.jacksonhewitt.com. You can start there, find out questions that you may have and need answers to, get checklists on what to do to get started. But most importantly, you can put your zip code in and up pops all the offices near you, and you can come in today to get your taxes. Or if you're wanting to do it a little bit more virtual, you can drop off an envelope and someone will call you. They will send you a package and you can send it in through the UPS. So there's a lot of ways to get your taxes done starting today, but it starts with jacksonhewitt.com, the website.